Today we're talking about replacing a GE refrigerator water filter, specifically RPWFE is the model number in this video. One important thing to note, this green arrow is pointing to the RFID tag underneath this sticker. You can see that red X on the sticker. There is an RFID tag under there, and when you buy a new filter, it comes with a new RFID tag, and that's how it resets the filter indicator light. So if it's missing or damaged or defective, the filter indicator light may not reset. So please keep that in mind. And you can see here is the model number of the refrigerator we're working on today, that this filter fits. So let's get started. So you do not have to turn the water off to change this filter. You push on this little white plastic tab and the door hinges out. Woo! Like so. You then simply pull out on the filter and pull straight out. The filter comes off. And you go ahead and install your new filter. And these only go in one way. So if you try to put it in the wrong way, it won't go in, the door won't close properly. So make sure you turn it around. You'll note on the stickers on the filter, it says front and back. Make sure the front that you see here is pointing out towards you, and the back sticker with the RFID tag is facing the side of the refrigerator where you can't see it. Hope that makes sense. Once you replace your filter, go ahead and run about a gallon of water, that first gallon of water, in a bucket and dump it down the drain, and that'll get rid of any of that carbon sediment from the filter. And the filter change indicator light should be out by now. As you can see, it's no longer on. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.